Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I have Chris back in the kitchen with me today.
Back again.
It's been a while and I'm so happy to have him with me. He's going to show us how to make a sandwich that he used to get just a few years ago, isn't it?
Yeah. I started back about 6-7 years ago, I guess.
Yeah. So
and, it's called the Thumper. So it's a sandwich that a technician I worked with for years and years and years go to a local breakfast place and he would get a sandwich that's basically a BLT, and then we add egg and cheese to it. And after getting it a few times, he started calling it the Thumper. So every morning he would go in and get me and him a Thumper, to the point where it was pretty much a menu item. Everybody wanted the Thumper. So,
well, how interesting. And I've never had this sandwich, so I want him to make it with me.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Now, tell me what we're going to do here.
Well, you don't need a whole lot of ingredients.
Yeah.
Bacon, lettuce, tomato.
Yeah.
We're gonna fry our eggs. You can do them fried, scrambled, do egg however you want.
Oh, okay.
Just our cheese.
But y'all did it fried.
We did fried eggs.
Yeah.
But I've had it both ways. So
but not runny.
I mean, you can do runny if you like it. It can be a little messy, but I like it like that. You know, you don't want to. It's not a portable sandwich. If you do that, don't make it runny and then jump in the vehicle.
However you want your egg is how it's going to be. Right. Okay. So show me how you're going to do your bacon. All
right. I do my bacon in the oven for this just because I can get it all cooked at one time and evenly. And I just put it on a sheet pan covered in foil.
Okay.
We've got our oven preheated at 425.
Okay.
So,
well, while you're getting that ready to go on the pan, I'm going to slice our tomato. How about that? I have, y'all look at this tomato, and I've showed y'all these before. This is a Cherokee Purple that Papa and I have grown. Isn't that a nice sandwich tomato? But I'm gonna
I like it when you can cut one slice and it covers the whole sandwich.
Yeah, it's just like a slab. And we've done that, and it takes one slice to make a sandwich. We love to make tomato sandwiches.
I like it.
All right. Now, all you need is mayonnaise and a little bit of salt and pepper.
That's it.
Yeah, that tomato is beautiful inside.
Oh, it is. And what kind was that?
It's a Cherokee Purple. It's an heirloom tomato, and they are so delicious. We've had a lot coming in at one time, so
they always do.
I think I'm going to have to can some. I don't want to lose them.
Nothing wrong with that.
So, no. And, they'll make a good soup or stew, or just put it in the refrigerator and get it cold and pull it out and have it with some vegetables.
Oh, yeah.
We'd love to do that. Get this sliced. Oh, look at that.
That is pretty.
As you get them down in that tomato. Yeah.
That's nice.
Now, that's a sandwich right there.
Sure is.
So.
And I like doing my bacon in the oven because you don't have all the grease splattered all over the kitchen.
That is, I've never cooked in the oven, but that's one thing. And I love bacon, but I don't like frying it because it splatters everywhere. And I have to clean the stove and the floor.
Well, I don't have a pan big enough to fry a pound of bacon on it anyway, so you can do this all at one time. Or hey, I've done it on the Blackstone also. I mean, I love cooking bacon on the Blackstone.
Oh yeah, but then you get the neighbors coming in.
Yeah,
they smell that bacon frying. But the further you cut down in these tomatoes,
prettier and prettier.
It does, doesn't it? Now,
it smells good. You can smell a good tomato.
You can, can't you?
Mm-hmm.
And you've got a good sandwich. Now, do you peel your tomatoes?
I don't.
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends if the skin's tough. But I have found that on these tomatoes, I've not had to. It's not a thick, tough skin.
Yeah.
Like you.
Some of them can be.
Yeah, you get these store-bought tomatoes, and they're hothouse grown, and I say they're genetically enhanced.
And come from who knows what country too.
Yeah, so.
I like homegrown or locally sourced.
Absolutely. All right, well, I guess we're ready to put your bacon in the oven.
Get her bacon in and wash my hands here, and we'll see how this bacon looks in a few minutes.
All right, and I've got the tomato cooked. We're going to get some lettuce prepped, and we're going to get some eggs cooked.
Some of that tomato might disappear before the sandwich is ready.
We have a bunch more. All right, we'll see y'all in just a few minutes, okay? We have got the bacon cooked, or he got the bacon cooked, and we got the tomato slice, our lettuce ready, and some eggs. We cooked up some eggs. Now, we fried them, and I love to salt and pepper my eggs when I fry them. And we fried them till they're not runny. They're not runny, but like you said, you can do whatever you want to.
Yeah, they'll be good either way.
Yeah, so let's put a sandwich together.
Let's do it.
Okay, now tell me what you want me to do.
If you want to go ahead and just spread us some mayo on our toast there.
Okay, yeah, we just toasted some bread in the oven. Do you put your mayonnaise on both sides?
I do.
And y'all, I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. Y'all know I like Duke's. Duke's or Hellman's, but I like Duke's. It's my favorite. Okay.
I'm going to do 2 more slices and we'll put 2 together at one time?
Yes, let's do that. Let's do that. And we'll make Pop one, call him in. He's outside messing around right now, so we'll call him in a little bit. We will make sure y'all know my bread has to match. I turn it around where it has to match, and I've had a lot of people tell me they do the same thing.
They do the same thing. You got to match.
Your Uncle Jeff will, or he will not eat the sandwich. Okay, now we'll set that there for Pop. Okay.
All right. Do you want any extra salt and pepper?
Maybe on my tomato.
That's what I do.
Yeah, on my tomato. I think I've got plenty on the egg.
Right.
Okay. So I'm going to let you assemble it because you know what you do.
And there's really no right or wrong ways, so.
Just however you would put it together. And y'all know how to make BLTs.
Oh, yeah.
I've done a video on it before, and I called it the best or the most popular diner sandwich, which I really think a BLT is a very popular sandwich.
Well, if I go somewhere and I know they have a good BLT, I get it.
Yeah. Papa and I were out yesterday, and he wanted somewhere to find a BLT, but we didn't.
All right.
And that's the perfect amount of lettuce to me.
Mm-hmm. Now, I like to break my bacon in half.
I break mine in half. Nothing wrong with letting it hang off the side either.
That's right. No. However you want to do it.
That's right. Do it like you want to do it.
That's right.
Oh, I'm excited about this sandwich. Y'all, I've not had this, and I've heard him talk about it.
Let's see.
We're going to have to find David and get him.
You want to slide them off with that knife you got?
Yeah, let's slide that off. And just put it right there on top.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we're going to put the tomato on after the egg.
Ooh, these tomatoes are pretty.
Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful slice of tomato? And watch, y'all, this is going to cover that whole sandwich. Isn't that something? And this, I have just been so happy with these tomatoes.
Gonna be good. And Want some salt and pepper on that?
I want some salt and pepper on mine. Do you?
I do.
Well, how about I salt and pepper it for you? Does that work?
Last but not least.
And y'all, this is the most in the Jones family. You got to put a little bit of pepper on the mayonnaise slide.
That's right.
It's got to have it on both sides, right?
Put your little cheese. Well, a lot of times I'll put the cheese on top of the egg since it's still a little warm.
Yeah.
But there you go.
You know, I'm wondering, tell me, could you run that under the broiler a little bit? And,
you probably could. You might put your lettuce on after that.
well, that's true.
Can you
Look
see
at
it good
that.
enough? That'll be good.
Oh my goodness. So let's try this sandwich. Do we want to cut it in half or
However you want to do it.
just dive in? Let's grab a knife out of that drawer down there and I'm going to cut mine. I want to show them in the inside of
Yeah, there you go.
this sandwich. Let's do that.
You can cut mine too.
And I cut mine on the triangle. I make mine in a triangle.
Yeah, that's what I do
You
too.
can get it in your mouth a little easier, can't you? Yeah, Miss Patch is in here. She's talking. I don't know that y'all can hear her. She is somewhere. I think she's in the living room, though. Oh, my goodness. I'm excited.
It's good.
Y'all, look at that sandwich.
That's the Thumper.
Let's try it.
Alrighty.
Let's try it. I'm hungry.
I got hungrier as we started cooking.
So we started smelling that bacon. Oh, my goodness
You
gracious.
gotta hold it just right so it don't slip away from you.
Yeah, really. I don't think
The egg just adds something.
it adds something to it. I don't think I'm going to have a BLT any other way.
Be hard to.
That is delicious, Chris.
And if you're not wearing a little bit of it, it's not good.
Like the sandwiches you get and they run down your elbows. Gotta have it. All right. I hope y'all make this. We're gonna make pot one and call him in and feed him because I think he's gonna enjoy this. He's probably gonna say the same thing I just did.
Won't have it another way.
Won't have it any other way.
That's the way I do.
And we've got enough here to make a few more sandwiches.
You probably make 3 or 4, yeah. That might get made.
They might get made. Who knows? We'll see how much we eat.
That's right.
All right. I hope y'all try this. And I think you're going to like it because that is one amazing sandwich.
It's good.
He's been talking about it. And so finally, I told him last night, I said, come up tomorrow and let's do a Thumper. And he said, I'll be there. So.
Easy to make. I mean,
Yeah.
just throw it together. And
Just a matter of minutes. We've had this sandwich made.
it's can't really mess it up.
So, but I hope y'all come back and I hope you'll make this sandwich and let me know what you think about it. And I hope y'all come back and visit because I certainly enjoy having each and every one of you. And I've enjoyed having you with me
too.
today.
We don't get to do many of them.
No,
So.
he works and he travels around the state of Alabama lately. And he's been traveling up in Tennessee and down south
Tennessee,
Alabama.
all the way to the Gulf of America.
That's right. So I don't get to see him much because he's working a lot.
That is good.
But that's a good thing. But I appreciate each and every one of you. And y'all don't forget, we have 2 cookbooks. And we have volume 1 and volume 2. He's in volume 2 and 1. He has recipes in there, but y'all get to see their beautiful faces. But I hope y'all go think about them and go check them out on my website, KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com. Click on the book you're interested in, and it'll take you straight to my printer. They take your order and they ship. So, but I appreciate it. And I hope you'll come back and visit with us soon. And we'll get him back up here and think of something else we're going to cook.
I've got some ideas.
I know he does. He's a good cook. All right. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you soon.
Bye.